Welcome to Lesson 11 in Unit 3. This lesson is all about the dotted quarter note. And there's not a lot to do in this lesson. It's more of an explanation, but I'll see if I can demonstrate a few concepts here visually so that you maybe can hear what a dotted quarter note sounds like. So up until this point, we've learned quarter notes, which are worth one count. So I'll play some chords here. If I were playing 4 quarter notes, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4. If I were playing 8th notes, it would be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we'd be playing down up on the 8th notes and all down on the quarter notes. What a dot does is adds half the value to whatever it dots. So in this case, if it's dotting a quarter note, half of a quarter note is an 8th note. And so a dotted quarter note is actually worth 3 8th notes, if you can think of it that way, because a quarter note is worth 2 8th notes, plus another half is worth 3 8th notes. And so the standard thing you'll see with a dotted quarter note is it'll be followed by an 8th note. And so if I'm thinking 8th notes here, down, up, down, that would be 3 8th notes. So the next 8th note, the 4th 8th note of those first 2 beats is an up strum. Okay, so what I'm going to do is play dotted quarter 8th, dotted quarter 8th over and over. So it'd be like this. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And it's really important to keep that hand moving, as if you're playing 4 8th notes. If I'm playing all 8th notes, it'd be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what I'm going to do is I'm going to play, that was actually 8 8th notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play, my hand is going to make the motion of 3 8th notes, but I'm only strumming the first one, then I'm picking up the last one on the way. So I get 1 and 1. Dotted quarter, 8th, dotted quarter, 8th. And this allows us to have a syncopated rhythm. In the next song, we'll actually play this rhythm and you'll recognize it, and it'll probably be easier in context. But that's the basic idea. Dotted quarter note is worth 1.5 beats. All right, we will see you at lesson 12. Practice.